How do you get recommended in AI answers when your potential customers are looking to buy? The first thing that you need to do is to forget everything that LinkedIn YouTube gurus have been telling you on AEO. Forget about TXT files, forget about JSON LD files, and all the other bullshit. Because AEO in reality is actually very simple. And what I'm going to show you today is a 4-step framework for getting your content cited in AI answers and getting your brand mentioned and recommended. And everything that I'm showing you today is actually based on millions of analyzed AI answers with the goal to understand how AI models work in the background and how they choose what brands to recommend to their customers. The first thing that I want to show you is how AI models basically work, as simplified as possible. So when a customer goes to ChatGPT, Claude, Perplexity, whatever, and asks a question, right? So whatever that question might be, let's say it's what's the best coffee shop in New York? What AI does is they basically do a web search where they go and visit 7, 8, 10, 12 different sources, right? And once they do that, they try to analyze all of these answers and find the common ground, right? So they're going to see what a bunch of different sources are telling and try to find the best possible answer for the customer. So that's in reality how AI models work in the background. But how do you do AEO? First thing that we need to understand is that AEO or GEO is mix of multiple disciplines connected together into cohesive strategy. And how you're going to do that, I'm going to explain with a 4-step framework. But for now, let's see what these disciplines are. So the first thing that we have is something that we have been doing for decades, something that we very well know, which is called SEO. So search engine optimization, which is basically how do we get our site discovered inside Google or other search engines. And here we have multiple different things that we're doing, such as technical SEO, optimizing for website speed and the other stuff. That can be also, we have backlinks, getting backlinks from third-party websites. And the third, one really important thing is our own content and the pages on our website. And this is a very important one. We'll see why a bit later. The second thing that we have is content distribution, which is basically how do we get this content over here? How do we make it repurpose? How do we repurpose it? Repurpose and distribute on other channels. Now, what those channels might be, we'll see through our research, but that can be like LinkedIn, YouTube, Reddit, like wherever our customers or wherever AI crawlers go to source answers. And the third thing of AEO is basically PR, or how do you get your brand and your website mentioned on other third-party websites. This might seem a bit complicated, but believe me, in reality, it definitely is not. So these are the disciplines that basically AEO covers. So how do we take all of these into one cohesive strategy optimized towards getting your brand recommended in AI answers and getting you more customers? Well, as I promised, there is a 4-step framework that you are going to use. The first thing that you want to do is basically identify bottom of the funnel terms that your customers are searching before they're ready to buy. So these would be bottom of the funnel keywords and bottom of the funnel prompts that your customers are searching across Google, ChatGPT, or other AI models before they are ready to take out their credit card and buy. So what these are, you need to identify yourself. In the example of a coffee shop in New York, that can be a keyword can be coffee shop New York or best coffee in New York. And the prompt example would be very similar one, but in the form of a question. So basically just add what's on the beginning over here. So what's the best coffee shop in New York? Where to buy the best coffee in New York? And so on and so on. So the first thing that you want to do is list out 20, 30, 40, 50 the most important bottom of the funnel terms that your customers would be doing. You can do a keyword research inside some of the SEO and AEO tools, such as Content Monk, to analyze and find out what would be the best keywords, what search volume they had, and so on and so on. The second thing that you want to do is basically you want to track data, right? So what's really important is that we understand what are the current websites that AIs basically source, right? That AIs basically cite before they answer your bottom of the funnel prompts. So how do you do that? Well, there is a lot of AEO or GEO software out there. So you need a certain software to do this, because doing this manually, it will not just be a too much work, but it will also provide you a very inaccurate results, because what you want to have is you want to see how AI models objectively answer to these questions, because from your own accounts, your, answers are going to be different than what other people will be doing. It will be more personalized to you, and so on and so on. For the most objective results, you need some kind of AEO software. What happens then is you take your bottom of the funnel prompts, you import them into your AEO software, and AEO software anonymously asks all AI models your questions every single day, and every single day it gets data on what websites get cited and what websites get mentioned or brands get mentioned or recommended inside AI answers. And once the software tracks this automatically for a couple of days, you are going to have a lot of data to make assumptions, right? On what it takes to get your brand recommended in AI answers. So what happens right now? Well, in reality, your goal is to get your brand in this list over here. So to get your brand in this list. And how do we do that? This is where steps 3 and steps 4 come from. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to create content, right? So you need your own content in your own page to get and be among 10, 15, 20 most cited sources for that prompt. So that means that you need to create content that's better than all the other articles that are currently, or pages that are currently being cited by AI. And in order to do that, you need to again track data so you can see what are all of these sources over here. You can see what type of articles AI cites, and you can create a better version of those articles on your domain, right? That's the goal. And of course, this content also needs to be SEO optimized, so you can also own all of these keywords, right? So that's a very crucial step. But creating really great content, getting it ranked, and getting it cited by AI will only get you so far. Depending on how many sources AI cites, unique domains AI cites over a course of like 20 or 30 days, if you get your article among the top 10 or 20 most cited pages for that prompt, your visibility will jump, according to our data, from around 0% to around 10 to 20%. That means that you will get recommended in like 2 out of 10 answers. So, how do you go from here to having a visibility of 50% plus? And this is where our PR and distribution come into place. And that's the step 4 of our 4-step framework, which is getting your brand mentioned on other websites that are cited by AI and getting your content distributed on other websites that are cited by AI. This is also why tracking data, again, is so important, so you can identify what are all of these 10 links. And once you do that, you build relationships, reach out to other publishers, editors, whatever, to get your brand mentioned on their sources, their websites as well. And once you are visible not only on your own source, on your own page, but you're also mentioned on other pages, right? Your visibility is going to go up. And on the more pages you're visible, the bigger visibility you're going to have. In general, from the data that we see, if you're mentioned in 5, 6, 7 out of 10, 15 most cited URLs, you're going to have a visibility of around 40 to 50, 55%, meaning that your brand will get recommended in 5 out of 10 times. And that is, my ladies and gentlemen, how you do AEO and how do you get your brand recommended in AI. And so the first thing that you need to do is to sit down, do your research, do your homework, and identify what are the bottom of the funnel terms that your audience is asking AI or searching across Google before they are ready to buy. Once you do that, you need to go to some AEO software, use whatever you want. Most of them are pretty much good. We recommend Content Monk. There will be a link somewhere. That's our own software that we built according to 10 plus years of our expertise in doing SEO, AEO, and content marketing for hundreds of brands. So we built a software that basically helps you with AI and everything to get your brand recommended in answers. And you can start tracking your data there for free during a 3-day trial. And then you will see what you need to do from creating content and from the PR perspective to get your brand visible in AI answers and recommended by AI. So all of those customers, instead of going to your competitors, are going to you. These are the next steps that you need to do. And if you like this video and if you like to see more of a really high quality from the weeds advice on how to do AEO and SEO, where we also share our real life expertise and the experiments that we're running, make sure to subscribe to this channel because there is going to be a lot of amazing content waiting for you.